Want to give Vivaldi a completely different look without creating a theme from scratch? In this video, I'll show you how to browse and install themes created by the Vivaldi community. To get started, open Vivaldi and press Ctrl plus F12 to open the Settings menu. Once Settings opens, go to the Themes section on the left side. Here you'll see the themes currently installed in your browser. To download new themes, click the Get More Themes button. This will open Vivaldi's online theme gallery where you can browse themes created by other users. You'll find a wide variety of styles, including dark themes, colorful themes, minimalist designs, gaming-inspired themes, and much more. New themes are regularly added by community members, so there's always something new to explore. Feel free to browse through the available options until you find one you like. When you find a theme you'd like to use, open its page and click Download Theme. When you do, a preview of the theme will be applied to your browser immediately, allowing you to see how it looks before installing it. You'll then see a message asking whether you want to install and apply the theme. If you like the preview, click Install. The theme will be downloaded and added to your browser, and it will remain applied automatically. If you decide not to use it, simply dismiss the prompt and your previous theme will be restored. You can install as many themes as you want and switch between them at any time. This makes it easy to experiment with different styles and find the one that fits your preferences best. If you ever want to remove a downloaded theme, select it in the Themes section and click the minus button in the top right corner of the theme picture. When the confirmation window appears, choose Delete Theme to remove it from Vivaldi. That's all you need to do. You've successfully downloaded and installed a new theme in Vivaldi. If this tutorial helped, please like and subscribe for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.